Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Agustin from 11 Diamond.
I'm Landor Teco from Section Diamond, Grade 11.
Lander Pudos, Section Diamond, Grade 11.
Hi, my name is Clarence Ivan G. Abalog in Diamond 11.
Tigan from Section Diamond Grade 11.
Meta's technological endeavors are driven by a vision of a more connected and immersive future. For AI, the metaverse and enhanced social tools play a social role in how people interact with each other in the digital world. The company's ongoing investments in these areas suggest a continued push towards creating more engaging and integrated online experiences.
Sige. AI is also used for community work. For example, I'm helping a local awareness campaign, and AI helps me post, design graphics, and find statistics and find issues. AI can create outreach materials for our community events and even helps translate if needed. It makes easier to connect with everyone, even those who might speak different languages. Right, we still have to think critically and face check. But AI makes research and community work a lot efficient. It's like having an endless resources of our friendships.
Formerly known as Facebook, develops a range of technologies focused on connecting people and building immersive experiences. These technologies can be broadly categorized into interconnected areas: artificial intelligence, the metaverse, and social connection tools.
AI is a term used in the field of artificial intelligence to describe the knowledge. Some example of meta-knowledge, including planning, tagging, and learning. But not only that, it is also help to understand new perspective and personalize customer service and improve user satisfaction.
Lander Pudos, Grade 11 Diamond. AI helped me practice critical thinking too. I'll ask it question, compare the response to other resources, and evaluate the reliability. It's like training my mind to think more critically about information. Meta AI can enhance business operations by providing sophisticated tools for customer interaction.